We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this file format. Yes, it can be said two different ways, and it actually is. Here's what I suggest so we have a definite answer, a real poll about which one is most popular. If you think it has to be said, or you prefer to say it as GIF with a hard G sound, hit the like button on this video, the one on your left with the thumb up for GIF. If you prefer the GIF pronunciation, dislike this video, thumb down, and we'll have a real live poll. Also explain to us in the comments why you think it's one or the other. Here's what we'll do: GIF thumb up, GIF thumb down. See where we get to. I'll see you soon for the results.